First off, this isn't a sponsored video, so before you go into the comment section talking about how I've been bought off, I went to the shop and I got this product by myself, okay? It's kind of like an upgrade to my trusty blender here that I use in blending. I've used this to blend my coffee since I got it say some 4 years ago. So I just decided my coffee grinder needs some kind of upgrade, so I decided to get the proper one because this right here does the job. Right, it gets the job done, but then the issue is it's not really designed for grinding coffee, right? I'll show you the result. I suppose it gets the job done, but then it's not as fine as I would want it. So this right here gets is coffee grinder specific, so it is designed to grind coffee, and that's exactly what it does, and it does it pretty good. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. And I don't belong to those who like getting a new toy and then throw the older toy under the bus. I still like my whole trusty blender, but then hey, I decided it was time for some upgrade so that I could get a good coffee. Okay, all right, so let's get into it. Looking good. You got an instruction manual and the coffee grinder itself. Yeah, and that's what the whole build looks like. It has like a nice clean stainless steel blade there inside, and you have the rotor inside taking at least 2/3 of the entire build. Okay, so now let's fetch some coffee, shall we? Wow, okay, now that's gangster. I don't even like to have products on, but this right here is looking pretty good. I can recommend it. Look at that, just fine as hell. Oh boy, I'm about to make me some good coffee for once. That's it, side by side. Now you can compare the older grinder finished product. That's really cool right there. That didn't make good coffee, but this right here is just completely blended. This is how a nice grinded coffee bean is supposed to look like, okay? It's about to go down. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now is just try to grind the rest of the coffee and try to get them into nice fine consistency like the new one does. Making a little bit of mess. But hey, no pain, no gain. Grind some more. I freaking love how it gets the job done. I just like this smooth action. Hey, I don't know about you, but I'm loving it so far. This definitely is a keeper right here. And another good thing about it is just look at how fine that grain is. Just look at it. And look at that. Bang. Perfect. Look at that. Huh? That's how coffee's supposed to be, okay? Alright, so now let me brew me some and let's see how it tastes. And just leave it for like 4 minutes. And actually, if you don't know, a while ago when I started YouTubing, I made a whole video about how to brew coffee. So if you want, you might want to check it out up there. It's very amateurish, but I enjoyed it because I was still a rookie then on YouTube. And now I'm still a rookie on YouTube, but then my videos are getting better if you don't know. Yeah, it makes a little bit of mess, but then like I said, it's tit for tat. So now while waiting for the coffee to brew up, maybe I can just see how to take care of this right here. Maybe I should rinse it in water. But I don't think so, because it's got a motor that probably isn't, or most likely isn't waterproof. So let me just see if the user manual says anything about cleaning up the device after use. It's in German, some other weird language as well. It's in Italian and in Russian. Will it ever be in English? Shit, I can not okay, and it's in Arabic, but then there's no English. What? You make a whole product, it's in Arabic, it's in all languages under the sun except English, huh? Okay. What a wise choice. Bosch, Hebrew, Greek, Polish, Indonesian, all languages under the sun except English. I can't believe this. Are you guys? Can't find anything in English, okay? It's amazing. Everything but English. Still in Dutch language. You gotta be kidding me. To make a whole product without any English instruction. Yes, you know, oh, is that okay? I got it. Okay, alright. Just one page. Alright. Actually, this is dumb of me because I should have done this before any operation to begin with. But it's better late than never. They say the appliance requires no maintenance. It means I can wipe it off with damp cloth and it can dust the inside with a brush, but that's it. Somebody tell me what I have to clean in this when the whole thing is gonna be filled with coffee anyway. The next time I use it, I'll be grinding most likely coffee inside. So why do I have to do any cleaning? I just don't see any sense in it. Alright, so I'm just storing now because I think the 4 minutes is up. Can't wait till I taste the coffee and see if there's any significant difference or I'm just hyped up for nothing. Alright, so the moment of truth. Looking black and smelling marvelous. My God, it's going down. And I usually use honey and sugar. Good fucking God. See, I'm not hyping it, okay? This right here is a keeper. I'm glad I made that upgrade. God knows I'm not just hyping this up for nothing, but it tastes just like coffee is supposed to taste. So freaking good. I'm keeping it. Alright, let me see what's going on Twitter. See what the president of the world is up to today. Because it's a Twitter. Loving it. See the wars moving fast in Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, and California. Great numbers in the southern border. The dams want people to just flow in. They want very dangerous open borders. Great day in Arizona. As your president seems solidly built, but then it's like, I would say, 4 times height of average human. If you're desperate enough, the body doesn't matter. And on the side you have critics. There's Miss Krankenstein. That's a Jewish name. Let me check. And it says it won't be a great day anywhere in America until Joe Biden assumes office and you're thrown behind bars. Just wondering how much Mexico paid for that fence. Trump literally campaigned on building a wall and making Mexico pay for it. Instead, they built fences to replace existing fences and then declare victory. We have enough of this phase or fake lying president. Jeff Tidrich. It's a fact check. He said you build 3 miles of new wall. You've improved 179 miles of existing wall. And at the rate, it'll take 30 years to complete an entire 2,000 miles of border. And no one cares. He said the country has moved on Focus on the pandemic, bro. Be a leader, not a racist. Okay. Now you have the next tweet by Melissa Tate. It said, "Thank you for keeping the promise to build a wall. Illegal immigrants hurt Black and Hispanic American communities the most. The resources are stretched and the schools overcrowded while rich white liberals who support the illegal immigrants take the kids to private schools." That's a good point, Melissa Tate. I don't know what you guys think about that, but then, hey, I'm non-partisan, okay? I don't belong to the Dems, neither do I belong to the Republicans. So when it comes to politics, I'm usually on the fence, okay? Liberal to a certain degree. Then when it comes to certain parts of life, I'm conservative. So if you check what Melissa Tate said, what do you think about what she just said? Would you, with whatever country you're viewing this from, will you support any person come from nowhere, like an immigrant come to your country and then start asking for all kinds of handouts and stuff, while the citizens of that country, I'm talking about the indigenous people, not just someone who migrated there. What happens when they start demanding for handouts while throwing you under the bus? So let me see what you guys think about that. Let me hear your take about that, okay, in the comment section. So far, I think this coffee grinder is a must-have, okay? If you guys want to get this coffee grinder, you can check the link in the description box. My overall rating of the product, I would say L7 out of 10, right? Especially for this price, okay? It costs 78 Polish zlotys. That's I would say $20, or a little less than $20. And it does the job perfectly, okay? It grinds your coffee bean to a very fine consistency and you get a well-brewed coffee. As you can tell, I've been enjoying it and I would pretty much recommend this product, okay? If you're into coffee, of course, you will get away with just grinding away with whatever it is that you have. But then if you want like properly grinded coffee, then you should get something specific like this product right here. But one of the drawbacks of the product is it's not well sealed at the top here, okay? So it makes a little bit of mess. Actually, if you be grinding, you don't want to stay where you want clean and stuff. So if I were you, I would just grind somewhere near the zinc, okay? And just put it right there, so in case I've been making any mess, it'll be easier to clean than making a mess on my table. Okay, but overall, 7 out of 10. Alright folks, so that's it. I already told you on this channel, you never know what to get. If you want more of such quality content, just go hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button and turn on the bell so as to get notified when I upload the next eccentric video. So okay, signing out and see you in the next video. Peace.